What's going on, guys? It's been a minute since I've actually vlogged here at the channel. My bad, I've been really busy with work, so forgive me. Anyways, we're back here at United Karting. There are a couple things for you guys in terms of content that I have planned for the channel. I bought a sim rig, a bunch of Fanatec products, and the next level racing stuff. So I plan on playing F1 and putting some of that stuff in career mode stuff on the channel, as well as the indoor league. I still have the indoor league to edit. I haven't done it because I've just been so busy with work. So that's part of the reason why I haven't been able to get that stuff uploaded. But spoiler. It's very exciting, and you'll find out what is happening when you watch it. I am doing the outdoor league here. They're having an outdoor league here in United Karting sometime in September, as well as the indoor league, which will be happening on Tuesdays. So I'll be doing that. So there'll be plenty of content coming up for you guys to see. Again, sorry for being so sporadic with my uploading. As I said, I own a business, and the summertime is extremely busy for me, so it's hard for me to get out here and edit and make content, especially since I don't have an editor myself. And yeah.
Alex?
Yes,
what's
sir.
up, sir?
Hey, what's up, man? How's it going?
Man? Good,
You,
good,
how about
good,
yourself?
good.
How's it going, boss?
Finally get him out here.
Yeah.
Finally get him out here. He's been flaking the last couple weeks.
Here.
I mean, he flaked due to some circumstances last week.
I got a new car, you should check it out.
Yeah.
That's a bad story, I'll tell you about it.
Man,
What's up?
I'm about to get you on the vlog now, huh?
Yes.
I want you to introduce yourself.
Well, I'm Mohammed, and this is my master right here. I'm trying to learn from him as much as I can.
You're too kind, so you're too kind.
All right. I have a newcomer right there.
What's that?
I have a newcomer right there.
Yes. Hello. You going back out?
No, I'm gonna wait for the.
The thing? I'm gonna go out one more time.
Yeah, because I ran 2 before you got here.
Gotcha. Are you going back out?
What was the time this time?
They gave it. I got a 50. That wasn't last week. I think I'm still struggling with the tire temps, man. The carts are so slippery.
Yeah.
For the first 2 laps, it's pretty slick.
Yeah.
And then it starts gripping halfway through that 3rd lap.
Right.
To another drop-in rental league here at United Karting. I want to thank you guys all again for being part of our 2nd week in a row of selling out. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. You guys make this really worth it for me and worth it for United Karting, and we can only get bigger from here. Just want to go through some bookkeeping things, just to tell you guys about what's going to be coming down the pipeline. We are going to be moving our Friday night rental leagues to Saturday afternoons, Saturday evenings. We're going to be formalizing it into a rental championship. Still working on the dates, still working on the format, but be ready for that. It's going to be pretty fun. We're gonna try and pump that up, and hopefully we'll have some awards of unspeakable value for our overall champions and top 5 drivers. Right now I'm working with my helmet painter to offer a free paint job. We're also looking to offer free test days in our comp cars, free race days in our comp cars. So we're going to try and make it worth your while to come out and race. Into tonight, our format is going to stay the same as last week. 5-lap qualified, 8-lap heat race, and a 12-lap mains. We'll be splitting everybody up into 3 groups. We'll have 2 groups of 6 and a group of 5. In your qualifying, best lap time determines which group you're in and your starting order for the heat race. In the heat race, what we're going to do is probably take the top 2 or top 3 finishers from each heat race, and they will advance to the A main, and then we'll figure that out kind of as we go along. I'll obviously be communicating that with everybody, making sure we're all on the same page.
Recap. That was just qualifying. I got a 50.9. I'm gonna blame it on the track being cold and the tires being. I feel like the tires might be tire pressure might be a little affecting me right now because just the wheel's just not gripping for me. Again, you're going to have to adjust to the cart, but right now the fastest today is a 50.9 got to figure out what's going on in terms of certain corners. I feel like the bus stop corner, I don't know what I'm doing wrong there. I either am not taking it, I'm either taking it too fast or I'm taking it, I'm slowing down too much. So, boys, what's up? This is Alex. You guys remember him?
Hey guys, just want to let you know that Phoenix is doing a great job out there. He's honestly kicking my butt.
Well, this is the first time you've run this track, though, right?
It's the second time, just new layout. I tried it. I'll tell you what, man, he was pulling away. I was trying to catch up, but
Do you like it?
oh yeah, I love it.
You like it
man.
better than the other one?
Yeah, the second run I can feel it a lot better, man. I feel like I definitely got a better time.
Yeah.
And honestly, I saw this guy out there too. I was like, I knew that helmet.
Dude, this guy's fast. This guy
I
right
knew
here.
that helmet out there, man.
This guy's.
Takes some getting used to these cars.
You can say hi to the vlog if you like. This guy's flying. Him and Patrick, man.
Flying times, they are posted right there.
All right, let's find out.
Just gotta remember your card assignment.
Oh, I don't even know what I'm at. I don't remember my car assignment. There are 4 people that beat me. There's one guy got a 49.086. 49.08. So there was someone got 49.08. I got a 50.9. There was about 4 guys right now that beat me. Which sucks. But yeah, what can you do? Laps. Now I'm about to get on mine. I'm in pole position right now, so just gotta do my best because top 2 go to the A main. See you in a bit.
All right, guys, heat 1 got it on the first try. Hope you guys get it as well. Get a nice heel pace. Keep it tight. Go.
Well, let's go ahead and explain this. So, what ended up happening was I was in the lead of the race. I was going pretty well. I was going very fast. Missed my braking point and completely bottled the race. It was either going to the barrier or cut the corner. Cut the corner. I chose to cut the corner, and what ended up happening, I followed the race out. I get the black flag, but I clearly didn't understand what the black flag meant. I forgot. Biggest brain fart on the planet. spots because I came in when I shouldn't have. Black flag rolled up is nothing but a warning.
We're gonna have two different style black flags tonight. If it is a rolled black flag and we are pointing at you, that is a warning. You're doing something we don't like. It's a bad behavior. Whatever it may be, stop doing it. If you continue with said behavior, you're gonna get a waving black flag next time.
And so now that was the difference between being in the AE heat main and versus B heat. pointing to me was to come in.
No, it's just a warning. It's the waving black flag that's come in. The only reason you got the point because I saw you cut the course.
Yeah, because I missed my braking point and I was like either that or go into the barrier.
Yep.
So,
you break my heart when you pulled in.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh well. You know what? I made a comeback. If I had one more lap, I think I would have caught up. Mental error. If I had one more lap, I would have caught up.
I know.
In there.
That was a nice comeback.
Thank you. Yeah. Good thing is that despite how I did, I was able to catch back up from last place to third place. And if I had one more lap, I think I could have gotten the first again. But man, these mistakes, they just keep coming and coming and coming and coming and coming. Just got to start, memorizing flags now. It sucks that I lose out to a flag call. What can you do?
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the.